Oman National Day is not just a holiday. It is a celebration of identity, history, unity, and progress. In 2025, under the leadership of His Majesty Sultan Haitham bin Tarik, Royal Decree No. 15 of 2025 officially set November 20th and 21st as National Day holidays. This decision gives families more time to celebrate, strengthens social bonds, and reflects Oman's deep respect for heritage and its clear vision for the future. This day also reminds us of the historic victory of 18th November, 1650, when Imam Sultan bin Saif al-Yarubi led the liberation of Oman from Portuguese rule. That moment marked Oman as one of the oldest independent states in the Arab world and remains a proud chapter in the nation's history. Over the years, from the Renaissance era of Sultan Qaboos bin Said to the ongoing modernization under Sultan Haitham, National Day has become a powerful symbol of unity, peace, and national development. The shift to the new dates aligns with Oman Vision 2040, supporting goals such as economic diversification, digital innovation, sustainable tourism, and stronger national harmony. During these 2 days, the spirit of Oman truly comes alive. People dress in traditional attire, perform Alazi and Al-Habani arts, gather with their families, enjoy Shubha, Omani halwa, and Arabic coffee, and celebrate their cultural roots. Schools, homes, and streets brighten with the red, white, and green of the national flag. Across the country, celebrations create an atmosphere of joy and pride. Military parades and spectacular air shows take place in Muscat. Fireworks and maritime festivals light up the Corniche in both Muscat and Salalah. Camel and horse races add excitement in Nizwa, Ibri, Sharqiya, and Dhofar. Cultural markets and handicraft exhibitions showcase the artistic talent and traditional heritage of Oman. Oman National Day 2025 stands as a proud reminder of where Oman came from and the bright future it is building. A future rooted in peace, wisdom, unity, and a strong national vision. Oman, the land of peace, beauty, pride, and a brilliant future. Let us celebrate together.